On number 1, it says, solve the following series manually as well as by the sigma formulas. So we're dealing with series here, and manually what that means is that if you start at k is equal to 1 and plug 1 into k and get a number, and then work your way up to k is equal to 2 and plug 2 in for k, and then plug 3 in for k, and then plug finally 4 in for k, and then add all those up, then that's going to be your answer. So a series is just summing up a bunch of different numbers that you're plugging into the formula. So if you plug in 1, you get 3, plus if you plug in 2, you get 5, plus if you plug in 3, you get 7, and then if you plug in 4, you get 9. So if you add these up, then you get 24. So they also want us to use the formula for this. So there's a lot of formulas involved in series. So we're solving this just a different way. So using the formula, I actually want to separate my series first. So it's going to be my series as k goes from 1 to 4 of 2k, plus as k goes from 1 to 4 of 1. So we are allowed to split up into two series, and the reason why I'm going to do this is because then I can use the formulas. Before I do that, though, I do want to actually factor out or take out this 2. Okay, so then I'm ready to use the formulas. So this is going to be 2 times, and then if you look at the formula for sigma k, it's n times n plus 1 over 2. So this is going to be 4 times 4 plus 1 all over 2. So n in this case is 4 because that's the top number on the series. Plus, and then the second sigma is c times n. So this is going to be 4 times 1. So then if I simplify this, this is going to be 20 plus 4, or 24. And that'll be my answer. And it is consistent with what we got manually. So depending on what the problem is, like we're just summing from 1 to 4 here, so it's definitely quicker to do this manually than to use the formulas. But if you were going from 1 to 1,000,000, then it would definitely be quicker to use the formulas than to actually plug in every single number up to 1,000,000. And we'll see that on one of the next problems.